जाइए सर. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry, but due to the restrictions, I'm going to request all our awardees who received their award. Our media is waiting to take your media bite. I'm going to request you to be outside and give your media bites right now, please, because our media is also in a rush to leave. तो आप सबसे विनती है, अगर आपका award हो गया है, to please move outside and remember your media bites mean a lot for us. So please, आप अपने awards लेकर अपने media bite दीजिए हमें बाहर. बिकॉज इतने लोग यहाँ पर अलाव नहीं हैं, हमें थोड़ा सा टाइमिंग का रिस्ट्रिक्शन है. तो मैं आपसे प्लीज़ रिक्वेस्ट कर रही हूँ, अगर आपका अवार्ड हो चुका है तो आप अपने मीडिया बाइट्स के लिए प्लीज़ बाहर वेट कीजिए. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. थैंक यू लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. जसलीन, Jasleen, I want to talk to you 1 second. May we please invite Sunil Golani ji. Sunil Golani ji, sir, aa jaiye. Aditi Gothri ji, please. Aditi Gothri ji, please aa jaiye. Sorry, Miss Preeti, ma'am, I'm sorry for this, but I'm really thankful to you. Thank you, ma'am. Jasleen, how? Yeah. So we have ma'am here with us. Aditi Gothri ji. आ जाइए Aditi ma'am, the golden lady. क्या बात है. A special token of love and the award of Blissful Excellence Award for you, ma'am. Can we please have our lovely award for Nupur ji? Nupur from Aaj Tak. May we please invite Reborn Skin and Hair Clinic. Congratulations, but we've actually found your award. So jaldi se aake le jaiye one more time. And heartfelt congratulations to Nupur from Aaj Tak for giving us absolutely taza khabar aur sabse pehle khabar. The only one, Aaj Tak, Nupur. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please invite Shivangi Zarkar ji and Mr. Edward Pereira. Shivangi ji, thank God. Thank you. May we please invite our awardee, Mr. Edward Pereira, please. Mr. Edward Pereira. Jasleen, how does it feel? It's so amazing to see you every now and then. And I loved your film, and we promoted your film as well. We went live on the virtual show with Sir. Okay, so before I request to speak a few words, I'm going to invite Riz Midroyal, the founder of RDD Show, and Jumana Ali Morbiwala. If you're here. Jumana Ali Morbiwala. So Jasleen, यार आपसे सुनना चाहेंगे हम सबसे पहले, because I want to talk to you and आपसे सुनना चाहेंगे इतने टाइम के बाद live मिल रहे हैं. Congratulations on your film. And we were all waiting, of course. वो मेरी student है, and after that, what are your upcoming projects? Please tell us more about this.
मुझे लगता है अनूप जी आकर चले गए, right? So I wanted to actually I wanted to enter with him, but I got a little late because I had a show and मैं दिल्ली से directly फिर आई, इसलिए so I wanted to come और मैं miss नहीं करना चाहती थी, but I was very very sleepy, पर मैंने बोला मुझे जाना ही है. And I'm glad that you liked and everybody else liked. वो मेरी student है जिसमें अनूप जी भी साथ में है, and we are doing one more project together, मैं and अनूप जी, क्योंकि as you all know हम बिग बॉस पे जिस तरह से साथ में ही गए थे तो वो साथ बरकरार है हमारा. So yeah, one more fun film coming soon.
That's absolutely wonderful, and Anup ji ने ये राज फाश नहीं किया, so I'm going to tell him because we're traveling to Varanasi, and I'm going to tell him this, sir, आपका राज फाश हो गया. May we please invite a lovely lady Nupur from Aaj Tak, और नीपुर ये आपका ही award है. ये आपका ही है, ये आप अपने घर के शेल्फ में रखना. मैम अभी आज तक के साथ हम ऐसे करेंगे तो हम आजकल में रहेंगे ही नहीं. तो ladies and gentlemen, हमें आज तक में रहना है. Let's please invite Nupur, ladies and gentlemen. Can we all put our hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for Nupur from Aaj Tak? And Justin is saying, why am I doing this? The third time. Nupur, you become the most famous. Here are the Blissful Awards.
The best part is कि वो जब भी आ ही रहे हैं तो pictures भी क्यों ले रहे हैं यार? We've clicked it a lot of times.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we'll request. So may we please invite Mrs. Sandhya ji. Mrs. Sandhya Dalal, our Best Model Awardee. Mrs. Sandhya Dalal, please. And then we like to felicitate our very gorgeous actress, Jasleen Mathru. May we please request Jasleen Matharu to kindly felicitate our lovely lady, Mrs. Sandhya ji. A lovely token of love now for Jasleen Matharu. A special token of love for you, and she's come all the way from Delhi. Absolutely a privilege and an honor for all of us to always have the presence of Jasleen Matharu ji. And we have the award for Jasleen as well. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Blissful India Excellence Awards 2K21 to Jasleen Matharu. And now, how does it feel receiving the award?
Feels really great, and as I told you, I really wanted to be here and meet all the pretty ladies here. So thank you so much for this honor and pleasure being here. Thank you, Simran. And Simran se milke to hamesha hi acha lagta hai.
You know, I'm a big fan of everyone. Pretty ma'am is here. You know, the pretty Preeti Jangyani ma'am and Jasleen. So I'm going to truly thank you for your humble presence and so honored to have you here. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm going to escort you, please. Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, our jury is all set, but before that, thank you to our friends from the media. बहुत अच्छा लगता है आप अंदर भी आते हो, हमें भी दर्शन देते हो. Thank you. Well, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Simran Ahuja, and I'm thankful to each and every beautiful soul sitting here. आधे लोगों ने अपने मास्क पहन लिए हैं और अंदर मुस्कुरा नहीं रहे हैं, मुझे उनकी नज़रों से दिखाई दे रहा है. But please मुस्कुराइए. Because in life, we always have challenges, we always have unique situations. But ladies and gentlemen, how we face and how we overcome them with positivity and perseverance is what that counts. And I'm going to take something which Sir Dr. Huz mentioned, that today is Patients Day, but I'm waiting, my jury, I'm waiting for my top 6 finalists. I'm still waiting for my list for the calculation. So till the time I don't have that in my hand, I have a lot of papers, but not the 6 finalists. So I'm going to truly announce now our 6 finalists for Miss and Mrs. Blissful India 2K21 for the Q&A round. And let me tell you, my lovely ladies who are backstage, I'm going to take your numbers, you're going to take your positions. But let me tell you that you get only 40 seconds to answer. Only maximum 40 seconds to answer the question by the jury. You can answer in any language. Language is no bar. Please feel comfortable. आपको जो भी language में answer करना है, अगर आपको आपका प्रश्न हिंदी या और कोई language में चाहिए तो आप हमें बता सकते हैं. Yes, सीमा जी. So,
check.
Abhishek, come. We'll present the award. Can we please kindly invite Chaya Bhanudas Sakhareji here with us on stage. So Abhishek, I want to know from you, because you know, we just have our last round for the Miss Walk. Abhi hona baki hai, or we have to announce the top 6? No, yes, no. We have to announce the top 6. Announce the top 6. Can I have the list,
We will
sir?
be having the third
Thank you.
sequence of
Sir.
Miss category, and then we will be announcing.
We
the
didn't
separate-
have the Walk of the Miss category yet.
Yes.
We didn't have the Walk of the Miss category. So can we please have the walk meanwhile? So then we can decide on the top 6 contestants. Meanwhile, we already have the list of the Mrs. contestants, the top 6 Mrs. contestants. Thank you. So ladies and gentlemen, एक बार फिर से अपना दिल थाम कर रखिए, अपने seats पे आराम से बैठ जाइए, because हमारी beautiful 9 finalists here at Blissful Miss India are all here to walk the ramp towards the head ramp in their round 3, the designer collection by Seema. Can we please have the contestants only for Miss? No? Sorry, there is a change. One sec. Yeah.